Hi, I'm Becky Powers-Johnson.
Hi, I'm Jamie Kastner, and we own F45 Training Ridgedale. We were always known to be a clean studio. This just gives us another layer of protection for our members.
Found out about it from Green Science Solutions. The owners came in and did a little demonstration for us to show us how it works and fell in love with it. I make my own cleaning solution right here in the laundry room. I turn the unit on, and as soon as I see the ready light, then I start to fill up our water bottles with SAO water on site, on demand. Depends on the size of the class. So if I know there's 9 members coming into class, I'll have 9 water bottles filled up. Hi Heidi, how are you? Every 4 hours we will swap that water out for fresh water and use it to clean the studio in between workouts, during workouts, and sanitizing our hands.
Spray down your equipment, get ready. We're gonna start in about 2 minutes.
The members are gonna use these to clean their equipment during the workout or when they finish the workout, and if they're, wanna make sure it's extra clean, they can certainly spray it down before they start working out.
Grab those towels and your sprayers. Let's wipe down the equipment.
Hey, thank you guys. Have a great night. Towels in there if you want to just set your SAO bottle right on top. That'd be perfect. You guys all have a great night and thanks so much. After our last person leaves, we will clean the equipment one more time before we move it. And then we'll vacuum the floors. We will mop the floors with a SAO cleaner. Right before we're getting ready to leave, we'll use our SAO sprayer one last time and we'll spray the stations that are set up for tomorrow's workout and let it dry overnight. To verify our cleaning process, we use an ATP meter. This ATP meter measures dirt and germs that we can't see. It's simple. We swab the area we want to test. We put the swab back into the stick and we shake it up a bit. Then we put it into our ATP meter to get the reading.
We can go home and lay our head down at night and know that we created a great, safe environment for people to come and work out. Really just give them a great experience and one that they feel safe about.
Nothing bad going into the water. It turns back to water, so you're dumping water down the drain.